Matariki.
And Moatara Winton School, I'm Vanessa. Welcome to N.E.W.S news for Raimere, the 11th of September.
Straight into Te Kupu or Te Wiki. This week's word is hea-kai. Hea-kai.
Which is te reo for hungry, as in ki te hea-kai koe. Are you hungry?
Yes, I am. Thank goodness it's sausage sizzle day.
Okay, most students are doing the right thing, wearing their Hi Viz vests to and from school. Please do likewise.
School Council. You have a meeting at the usual time, at the usual place. Thank you.
And if you missed any notices, you can play the news again, or you can read all the notices in the text box below.
Sandpit news. A reminder to keep all the toys in the sandpit. Far too many toys being left lying around the playground.
Same goes for the sports gear. Make sure all the equipment is returned to the trolleys at the end of play and lunch times. Thank you.
Football news. Miss Mynes' team has a training session on the basketball court at lunchtime. Good luck with the weather.
Birthday news. None today at Winton School, but on Sunday, oh boy, Deacon Karen Weil is turning 8.
And Lily Woodgate is turning 9. Happy birthday, kia korua, party hard.
Okay, that's all for the week. From everyone here at the N.E.W.S team, ka kite a te wiki.
Stay clean, stay dry, and look sharp, Winton School. We've got assembly this afternoon.